Pronoun, ismi zamir. Pronoun is taken from the Latin words pronomen, which mean in place of noun. The word which is used in the place of noun to avoid repetition is called pronoun. ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो किसी इसम की जगह पर तकरार से बचने के लिए इस्तेमाल हो इसमें ज़मीर कहलाता है. एग्ज़ाम्पल मिसालें he, she, they, we, you, I. Types of pronoun. Subject pronoun. A pronoun that is used as a subject is called subject pronoun. Subject pronoun are he, she, I, we, it, you, they. For example, he is a boy. She go to school. We are Muslim. Object pronoun. A pronoun that is used as an object is called object pronoun. Object pronoun are him, her, it, me, us, you, them. For example, write him a letter. Possessive pronoun. A pronoun that is used as an ownership or relationship. A possessive pronoun is always placed at the end of a sentence. Possessive pronoun are his, her, hers, its, my, mine, our, ours, your, yours.
For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Like, share and drop a comment. Thanks.